Joining us with markets is Kevin Dooling with KD Investors. Kevin, grains trying to recover on Wednesday, but we just continue to struggle here. You know, we've given up so much of this spring rally. Why are we struggling so much in the grains right now?
You know, we always look for reasons. We always look for fundamental reasons to justify the movements. And a lot of times, you know, with this new computer trade, with AI coming online, it's those reasons are going to get farther and farther behind the scenes. And so we do have the big report Friday, and that's going to have a lot to do with it. Funds, you know, the momentum is lower, so they're going to push, and we'll see what happens after the report. I'm hoping for a break after that. So a break in the selling, I should say.
So Kevin, when we talk about the report, it feels like we're leaning really bearish going into those reports. So what is the market expecting? What are you expecting?
I'm not expecting any big fireworks as far as, you know, based on the cash trade. We hopefully will see some numbers that say, you know, there's less stocks than we expect. But, you know, that one line item I hate in these reports is that is the on-farm stocks, and we just never know what that number is. I don't feel like that number is ever accurate. It's just going to depend on how the funds react to those numbers.
In the case of the row crops, Kevin, do you think that part of the pressure has just been this rain makes grain mentality, this idea that the Eastern Corn Belt is cooler and wetter, and that's kind of trumping some of the problems we're seeing maybe in other areas of the Corn Belt with flooding?
Looking at the longer term maps this week, you know, everywhere's got, you know, elevated chances of above normal precipitation. So, you know, despite the heat, I mean, there are going to be some really muggy conditions out there, but I don't think we're not seeing that dome develop where it's dry. And as far along as that doesn't exist, the funds aren't going to have a reason to cover yet.
Thanks for joining us. That's Kevin Dooling with KD Investors, and we'll have more Ag Day coming up.